Now, this is a lecture I'm really looking forward to. We are slowly approaching the heart of lockpicking, but before that, I think it is a great idea to look a bit into the beginnings of locks and keys and to really appreciate these modern-day security devices. Locks as we know them have been a part of human history for literally thousands of years. It all started with the first recognizable locks that were made by the Egyptians about 4000 BC. They consisted of a wooden post that was affixed to the door and a horizontal bolt that slid into the post. This bolt had a set of openings which were filled with brass pins. A specially designed, large and heavy wooden key was shaped like a modern toothbrush with pegs that corresponded to the holes and pins in the lock. This key could be inserted into the opening, lifted and pulled, which would move the pins and allow the security bolt to be moved. Such a locking system is shown in this picture. After the Egyptians, a long period came in which no new lock developments had been made. It took humans until the Dark Ages to go from wooden locks to the first all-metal locks, which were made in England. These locks featured a keyhole in a cylinder and concentric plates were the security mechanism. For these new locks, complex and unique keys were produced. These keys had their own specific bitting, which would match the wards or metal plates in these locks. At that time, keys were true pieces of art, each one individually made, sometimes made out of fine metal such as silver with ornaments and jewelry to show that the wearer had something valuable that needed to be secured. Even today, many city banners have keys in them to demonstrate the importance of security. By far, the largest advancements in locks were made in 1784 by an extraordinary Englishman named Joseph Brahma. He designed an unpickable lock which remained unpicked until 1851, where an American locksmith, C. Hobbs, picked the lock in 14 days and was rewarded 200 guineas, or around $30,000 in today's currency. These locks featured 18 metal wafer plates, which needed to be pushed in a specific depth to unlock the mechanism. Even by today's standards, these locks remain to be one of the most secure padlocks you can find out there. And interestingly enough, they are still sold to this day in London without going through any internal design changes. In the next lecture, we will have a look at the pin tumbler lock and its inventor. Why the pin tumbler, you ask? Well, let's find out.